911, what is the address of your emergency? It's 2nd Avenue North. We have a recording out here saying there's a limited time to evacuate this area. On 2nd Avenue North in downtown Nashville. Is that you guys?
2nd Avenue? Where at on 2nd?
166 2nd Avenue North. 166. There's a recording out there that's saying there's a limited time to evacuate this area. There's a large bomb inside this vehicle.
Let me check and see what we got.
Can you please send the police up here? Meanwhile, I'm getting dressed. Can you please send the police up here?
Yeah, we definitely can.
166 2nd Avenue North.
It looks like we have them right now.
I'm in a panic.
Okay. We do have officers right out there, like right near 178, which is right.
Right. Are they reporting anything about this recording that we're hearing?
We got like a call about shots being heard.
Yeah, shots, but now there's a sound on there that says there's a limited time to evacuate this area. There's a large bomb inside this vehicle that is playing over and over and over outside.
Gotcha.
And I was just concerned that that's the police car saying that.
Yeah, I don't see anything in this call, but they are out there, so I don't know.
Okay, thank you. I'm going to look out the window.
Do you want to speak to an officer?
No, I'm just going to get dressed real quick. Thank you.
All right.
Merry Christmas. Bye.
Merry Christmas. Bye.
That's so weird. That's like something out of a movie.
Like The Purge?
Yeah.
Keep watching the videos.
Well, in the meantime, I found out that that building that it's next to is the building that houses all the hard lines for phones throughout the southeast.
Makes sense. Good spot to put a bomb.
Take a ride up on Tuesday.
Take a ride on the 5th. Is what that said. $415.
415.
We do not need fire on standby at this time.
All right.
Fire medical down here just went off. Fire medical signal 10. Whew.
Right.
We're good. 423, I got 421 with me. One south there. Command, I need all resources out on this call. Check in with your 10-4 ASAP. 423, I'm 424. Command, I want a roll call of all central personnel ASAP, starting with 11.
411, I'm 10-4.
15-4. We don't need us. On the second and Broadway. Closed until the roll call is completed.
Dispatch the command. I believe we have everyone except for 425.
425.
Direct.
226, we got my 423 coming to you. Where do you need us? Hey, and second and broad. Second and broad. Command to 425, are you 10-4?
He's 10-4.
Are you guys okay?
Correct.
No way, guys.
Where's your car?
How you doing?
Okay, go to your car. What's going on?
214, myself and 215 are all going around.
I got 213 and 215 around. Who else is around? I missed the first one. 221. Adam. Direct.
221 call the broad. 515 Charles coming in. 113 Charles is central on that round. 410 good, I'm just going to go.
411 dispatch. Full fire. The best way to cut through. There's going to be a wrong way down second from Union.
Command all units, we're here in secondary. There could be ammunition inside the vehicle. Do not get in the open. Do not get out in the open on 2nd Avenue.
423. You're going to have to 10-9.
Stay under cover. We have possible secondary for ammo.
We're hearing secondary classes. Please are ammunition either in or here in another vehicle close by.
Get that answers now. Let them know. Command, make sure all units are direct. There may be ammo in that vehicle. We don't need anybody coming up the 2nd Avenue exposed.
You okay? Yeah, I'm good, man. I appreciate it.
Boy 44, we need a 47 is taking a Broadway for an officer that has hearing loss in his left ear.
Dispatch that unit. Please repeat.
Yeah.
That's the white perimeter. 213 Charles on Central. You have about all the east cars. That 2nd and Broadway. Where do you need us?
If you can start setting up officers, we appreciate it.
Is that your car?
Yeah.
Command. Just get Frank out as far as we can. Get some officers over on 3rd Avenue, blocking off all the secondaries. Over on 1st Avenue. Get it out as far as we can. Get some up on the north side of it on 2nd Avenue here.
Hey, y'all gotta go that way. That way. Keep going.
What happened?
Mary 71, I'm
Not
at
yet.
3rd and Commerce.
Seriously, no, keep going.
You know we live here, right?
I would keep going.
Should do that. Okay.
416 Adam. I'm on 5th.
Hey, man. Hey. Go that way, man.
Sorry,
You're good. You just go that way.
I'm managing this.
Dude, trust me, go that way. Please.
I saw it go off this morning.
I know it. Keep going that way.
Yeah,
As far as y'all can.
Pardon? Do you know what it was offhand?
Not exactly.
It was pretty big. It was a
Yeah.
pretty big fireball. It was right on top of it. It was right on top of here. It was a pretty big
Yep.
fireball.
Yeah, it was. So keep going.
Okay.
I appreciate it, guys. Keep going, though.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
221, I'm at 4th and Church. The last shot over here by Printer's Alley. I think I'm outside of it right now, but I'm blocking at 4th and Church. Charles set up at Union and 2nd. 113 Charles, I'm at 3rd Avenue North and Union Street. I just posted THC. They got resources coming.
Oh my God.
What is the address of your emergency?
Oh my God, my entire building just fell down and it's collapsing. I live at 162nd Avenue North. Please come. Please.
So the entire building just collapsed?
The roof is collapsing in.
Okay.
Yeah.
Stay with me.
Oh my God.
Stay with me. You're okay. You
Oh
said
my God.
162nd Avenue North, correct?
Yeah, it's maybe it's just like I don't know what's going on. Ralph, come on.
Stay with me.
I'm getting my shoes now. Yeah, I'm getting my shoes. I'm going downstairs now.
Okay, ma'am.
Oh my
What
God.
is your name?
Mallory Lucian. Mallory Lucian. I don't know what's going on.
Okay.
Oh my God.
Stay with me.
Maybe it's just my roof. I don't
You're
know.
doing okay.
Sorry.
No, you're perfectly fine. Stay with me.
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Oh my God.
You're okay. You're doing great. Stay with me.
Okay. I need to get my keys. I don't know where they are. I don't know how to do
You said you had kids with you?
Okay. No, just my dog.
Okay.
I got him.
What's the phone number you're calling?
Oh my God, everyone's out. Oh my God, I forgot to get it. Oh my gosh. 6.
Okay.
We have to get out. We can't be up here.
All right.
Come on, Ralph. Oh my God, I think it's an explosion. Ralph, watch out.
All right, ma'am. We already have responders on the way. Okay, I need to go. 911 is backing up. I want you to get out of that place
911 is
immediately.
coming already.
Okay, I need to let you go.
Yeah,
Get
we're
out
all
of the building
getting out.
immediately. Okay, bye.
All right, thank you.